Hello everyone and welcome to my channel with a new review. Today I'll be reviewing the Aukey KMG4. This is a mechanical RGB keyboard with brown switches. This is the keyboard. Actually, this is only the box. Inside the box you will get the keyboard, of course, with the user manual, which has multi-languages including English, a CD for the software because this keyboard has a macro function and programmable RGB lighting, and the keycap, of course, that each mechanical keyboard has. And finally is the warranty card from Aukey company. It says 24 months warranty. Okay, now so let's get to the keyboard itself. Let's get to the sound of the keys. Actually, this is the first time for me using a brown switches keyboard. Also, the RGB, this is the first time I use it. There's many functions that you can do over here with the lightning. Let's see, maybe this function, color flow. It comes default with this one, the color flow. You can make it like that. Anyway, this is the rain. It doesn't affect while you're typing or not. The snake, snake, you can increase the speed, of course. This one is the most one I like. It's really cool. You can change it to make multi-colors. As you can see, RGB, each press then follows a row with different colors. This one I can't really get it so far. I don't know what to do next. It just keep on cycling. Oh, damn it. Yes, you can play the snake game. I can move it now. Go there. And now I ate it. I ate it and now I'm moving to the okay, never mind. You can just have fun with it in case you've lost connection, just like the Google Chrome or the Google Chrome does. Okay, let's go on to the next thing, which is the fade, sorry. You press the key and then it disappears. You can change it also to a different function, same thing. Let's have here, we have the full color. You can press this if function and change the color to make it green, more green, more green, and then it comes back to red. And this blue, 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 bluer, bluer until it reached purple. So you can change it like this. Gets more, okay. So you've got it. This one, it's really cool. When you press the key, the colors just go around where you pressed. The thing that I don't like about it is that it's very slow, very slow, very slow. You can change it to be like a rectangular, like this, in case you don't want it to be only horizontal. What else? You can make a cycling which it manually cycles. Also, you have profiles that you can use. Which one? These profiles that you can install yourself. When you play F10 and F10 and press it again, now you can choose which lights to, I don't know, this here, you decide the color. I want it to be blue, 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 blue. Okay, I don't know, it's not blue. I don't really care about this. There gotta be some way to do it. Okay, so the most thing I like is this. An additional for that, as you can see, the keycap. Let's just take off those keycaps. I don't use the keycap puller often. You can see here the RGB is inside the keyboard, which is actually a con, but I don't know why it doesn't affect the brightness of the keyboard lid. So as you can see over here, now I got the lights on and the keyboard is actually looking good. I will show a video clip while the lights are off. So this is all that I got about it, and next we will move on to the software. So this is the software with each key, as you can see over here. For the keyboard, you can choose a function for each key as like macro function or media shortcut hotkey, anything you can see. You can choose the light effect for the keyboard from here also. In addition, for using it in the keyboard, let's change it to full color, maybe rainbow mode. You can also choose the brightness and the speed of it. So let's decrease the speed. Now it's lower. Okay, let's go to the macro function. As you can see, you can choose the macro and then start recording it as any other macro recording software, and then you can apply it for any key you want. So you press the key, go to the macro, choose your macro, and then choose how many playing times, then accept, and press apply for press apply to apply the changes, and then you can use the macro. So the last thing is the statistics. You can view the history of the statistics. This one I've recorded before. Now I'm recording. Let's just press anything, any key, and this is the statistics I used right now. So you can keep it recording for like 1 day or a full play time, so you know which keys you press mostly. Here you can save the configuration and then use them for any time you want. So I guess that's it about the software. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe to my channel if you want more reviews for more products and more cool stuff. Thank you for watching. This is 700 TY Houti. Thank you for your time.